Hard to tell.
Maybe you got a big snap.
I could have. I got the drag set pretty light on this.
You got it now. Like that sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
He's out.
Move it again. Yep.
He's out.
Try to threaten him.
Yep.
Let's see, where is he? I can see him. Oh, you got a grouper. A little grouper.
Grouper? Okay.
Yeah, throw me that net in.
Oh yeah, got a grouper.
Nice little black grouper or a gang.
Yeah.
He's running like a mackerel.
I know it.
It's a black.
Fish, huh?
They are cool looking.
Nice.
Cool. Get him. Yeah, there you go. Very good.
Ian, you want to see him?
Yeah.
Before I put him back?
Pretty fish.
Man, they are cool looking.
Yeah.
Like leopards, you know?
Yeah.
What is their season?
It starts in April. Or
May.
is it May?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It ends about the time I get here, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty fish.
Nice fish. All right, buddy. No, he's a little short.
Good.
On the artificial. I don't know, what is that? Oh, it's a fucking remora. They almost look like little cobias, don't they?
Yeah.
They literally look like cobia. All right, chill out.
And cobia are supposed to be like delicious, right?
Oh, dude, very good.
Because I caught one on my fly rod. It wasn't big enough. But it was
Yeah, they have to be
32
huge.
or something.
Yeah, they have to be 36.
Sight fishing on the flats, that's pretty wild.
These are the guys that stick on the sharks. See that?
With that.
Mm-hmm. So they stick on the sharks and then they eat all the guts and stuff the shark doesn't eat. Artificial.
What's that?
An artificial worm. It's just a little snapper. Felt bigger. Might be close to 10. Yeah, he might be a keeper. Yeah, he's a keeper.
If it gets off, it's fine. Throw it in the freezer.
Yeah.
It's a little remora. What do you got? How long?
Hour 15.
Light work. Remember that? I foul hooked him. Sorry, buddy, you ate it. You choked the whole thing. Oh, wait.
God, look at the tail on that fucker.
Can you get him off the ground at all?
Okay, hold up, hold up.
Take a look.
Back, 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 back.
Alright. We'll be out in about half an hour or so. Bye-bye.
This one feels a little nicer. Or is he just spunky? It's just a little spunker. Where is your brother? You could pull him. Just grab the leader. Quick, 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 before he spits it. Oh. Go measure that boy, see what he is. No, I'm just curious what. Look what you did to us, bud.
Alright, this goes in, right?
Yeah, but measure him, I'm curious. I didn't get mine on camera, god damn it. Get her in.
I mean, it doesn't feel that heavy. He's just ripping.
It's probably a jack then.
He fucking smoked it. This boat's gonna come in and fuck it up. Hopefully he goes this way. This side's the side.
Huge mangrove. Fuck.
What do I got? Is that bonefish? No.
It's a big jack. Nice jack, Ian. Get that fucking thing in here. Where's the net?
I got it. You do you. You're good. You're good. I can get him.
Do not try to leader that.
No, I won't. I got it.
Look at that. That's a good jack. Nice fish. Nice fish. Fucking A. That's a good looking jack. No. But oh my god, it's like in his bone. Come on, bud. There we go. Gotcha.
Here, you hold him, I got it.
Okay, we'll get a picture on my phone because it's awesome, but let me just hold it up for the camera real quick. Nice jack. Caught by Sir Ian here. Hold that. He'll be fine, but just make sure he's not going to go belly up. Nice.